Why do you want to learn FEA? The answer is simple. It places you in another engineering league. When our colleagues suffer with problems they can't solve by standard methods, as FEA specialists, we are here to help. We improve designs, save a lot of time, and reduce expenses. Which company wouldn't want these benefits? Definitely, FEA makes you a key player around the world, and that means better opportunities and higher incomes. The problem is that the process of learning FEA could be bored, long, and expensive. Believe me, I went through that process and I know how frustrating it can be. But now, after more than 12 years of experience in FEA, I have created this new method to increase your level and capabilities in just few weeks. This course doesn't just teach all the necessary theory, it gives you advanced skills that you can apply directly to real projects, faster than ever before. I can assure that because I will guide you step by step to simulate more than 20 real projects to guarantee your success. And for the price that it has right now, it's an opportunity you can't miss. From a FEA specialist for a future FEA specialist, this is the training you were looking for. Click below and see you inside.